Hi, everyone. This is Sherry Walton, Sister Fearless Faith. Listen, I just wanted to say hi to everyone. I've been getting a lot of friend requests from people that I don't know from all over the world, and I just want to say thank you. I appreciate you finding me, liking my page, following me. I so appreciate it. I just believe that in this season of our lives that we are making divine connections. So all of you that are kingdom minded and out there moving and shaking, I so salute you. I know that this season of your life is just going to catapult. But in the meantime, those of you that have been sending me messages and inboxing me in regards to the new launch that we are doing, I have to tell you that we have aligned ourselves with some amazing people, and we are so excited. So continue to send your inboxes. I am receiving them. I'm going to respond to them individually as soon as I just get a moment to breathe. We are launching our virtual grand opening, and as you can see from some of the pictures that I posted, that this new product is just all the buzz. But in the meantime, thank you so much. I appreciate everything. I appreciate all of your support. Those of you that are interested in joining our Team Overcomers, please go ahead and let me know about that as well. I must tell you that we are particular about who we are aligning ourselves with. We just want to make sure that we are with people that are kingdom minded. And we all have the same purpose and vision that we're working towards. So I just want to go ahead and encourage you and say thank you so much from Sister Fearless Faith. I think I'm going to coin that one. But in the meantime, thank you so much from my family to yours, from the Walton Dynasty. My husband celebrating his birthday today. We just send you the love and we send you blessings, okay? You all have a peaceful, prosperous day, and we will see you at the top because the bottom is way too crowded. Bye.